right, you guys out there, everybody, welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Wish Week. It starts today, guys. So I just want to thank you for being here on this channel, interacting with me during this last week, especially where you wish for songs, and I will bring up songs for you every day this week, at least one. We'll see how many, and we're gonna start off with a song from Drake Bell. First time I heard about him. Anyway, the song is called Fall Asleep Again. And it's you, Mr. Ed, maybe M. Red. I'm not sure about your name. You wish for this one, Drake Bell. So, yeah, let's go into this one. This is special for you. And if Drake Bell has any fans out there, then shout out to you guys. Leave me a comment on what you thought about this tutorial. Now let's go into it. No need for any capo here. We're going clean, and we have, let's see, 7 chords. So let's start out with them, and we're gonna start with G. So G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next, E minor, and that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor, that's the 3rd chord, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. D, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have the E7, and that will be open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, open E. And then we have 2 chords left there, and they are bar chords. So we're going to start with the B minor. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd on B. And finally we got the F chord, another bar chord. This time on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd E, and 2nd G. So there we got all the sweet 7 chords. Now let's go into the strumming and learn that, because we're gonna work with that through the entire song. So if you grab the 1st chord, which is the G, and 1 string around goes like this. It's about 6 downs in total, and you play on the bass strings for all of these downs except from the 4th down, okay? When you come to down number 4, you go down on the higher strings. And that way we get the certain rhythm that works for the song perfectly. It's actually how it's done. So 1 round is bass, 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 top, bass, bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we are ready for this song, and we're gonna look into the verse play. And you're gonna play 1 string around per chord in the following order: G, E minor, A minor, and D. And this is played a lot in the song, all right, because that is also the chorus play later on. So this is kind of 85% of the song or so. So G, E minor, A minor, and D. Again. So you got it there. Then we have the pre-chorus play, but when I wake up from my slumber, I believe that is where we are in the lyric, that is where the pre-chorus starts, and it's played in the same way for all of these 3 times you're gonna play it. So I'm gonna just mention the timestamps here. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds in, it's 2 minutes and 34 seconds in, and it's 3 minutes and 55 seconds in. At that times in the song, you're gonna play this following part of the song, the pre-chorus, and you're gonna play A minor, 1 string around, D1, G1, and E minor 1. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So A minor, D, G, E minor, 2 rounds, and then you're gonna end off with A minor 2, B minor 1, and D1. So it's a total of 3 rounds. The first 2 rounds goes like this: A minor, D, G, E minor. Again. And the 3rd round, A minor, 2, B, and D. and that is the pre-chorus play. Then comes the chorus, and like I mentioned, it's played in the same way as the verse play. So yes, again, G, E minor, A minor, and D. Then we have a bridge thing going on there. It's about 3 minutes and 30 seconds in. So yeah, I've never been so lonely. I believe that is where we're on the lyric. What you're gonna do here is to play F2, then E minor 2, again F4 and E minor 2, then comes the E7 2 and A minor 2, and that's it. So F, F, E minor, F, 2, 3, 4, and then E minor, 2, E7, 2, and A minor, 2. All right. And then you're gonna go into the pre-chorus, and that timestamp I already mentioned, 3:55. Play that in the same way we just learned. And after that, you're gonna end off with the chorus/outro played in this main part of G, E minor, A minor, and D. And that's it, guys. So that is how you handle Drake Bell's Fall Asleep Again. Thank you, Mr. Ed. I believe so. I believe that's your name. I'm not sure. For highlighting this song. Never heard it before. I like the tempo. Very easy to play. Very guitarish. And nice song as well. So thank you. And I hope you will be satisfied with this tutorial. Yes. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Leave me a comment. Thumb up this one. And support me in the future here. Thank you so much. And play tuned.